Okay, really quick here. I've done a review of these boots before. These are my Red Wings 877, and I'm just about to start cleaning them. There's some saddle soap, Ovenoff's, just my knife to cut the saddle soap. I've had this for so long, it's kind of hard in there, but whatever. And how I do it is I just boil some water, and once it's really hot, I throw a chunk of that in there and wish it around. It's hard to get any work done on these boots with this guy not leaving me alone. Little throttle here. Okay. Just toss this bad boy in there. About that size. See, it's gonna break down pretty quick. And yeah, just kind of pour it in the bowl. Let it, doesn't have to all go in there. I'm gonna do 2 coats. Okay, so here is one boot kind of washed. It's not gonna really get any better than this. You know, these boots were really my first pair that I started experimenting with in terms of treatment and how waterproof are they, and you know what you can really push a leather boot to do. So there's a lot of grime buildup. You know, sometimes I regret doing all that, but that's just the way it is. And the second one is on its way. So there's a comparison of the two, just with the saddle soap. And oh man, I really need to bring these and get a resole. So this is one of the boots done. As I'm putting in the LP, I really try to squeeze the boot just to open up any stiff spots. And once I'm done, I put them on and lace them up so that even when I am wearing them and feel hot spots, hopefully this process kind of buffs anything out. Because your feet do actually kind of change, I find, over the season, so it's always good to start fresh. All right, the Red Wings are done. Yeah, they'll be ready to lace up. I'm going to be doing another review on my jacket, a good story about that jacket, and actually the pants as well. They haven't been in my possession for a little bit. They've been used in the Filson store in Toronto, hanging up just to show the wear and tear of what a Filson tin suit looks like compared to something new. And I just gave it to them. I didn't take any footage. It wasn't for that reason. But my jacket's gone back. I think they're just going to give me a new one. It was just really falling apart. But yeah, when I get that jacket back, I'll do a quick review on it. It'll be almost like an unboxing. And then I'm also going to be coating my whites in the Filson wax just to see how that holds up. Just a little experiment. Anyways, see ya.